My name is Wes Danielowitz. I'm with the Forest Preserve District in DuPage County in Wooddale, Illinois. And we have 3 golf courses. And about 3 years ago, we purchased 3 of these R52 ELTs to roll our greens. And one of the reasons why we purchased the Tru-Turf roller was, well, to go along with our mission statement. Just about over 60% of our fleet is alternative fuels, and we felt that this would go along with our mission statement by using battery-powered rollers on for rolling our greens. We do have 3 of them, and one of the other major reasons for purchasing the Tru-Turf roller was the fact that we could actually roll 18 of our greens or more on a single charge. We don't have to change battery packs or bring the unit back in and recharge it. We roll 18 of the greens. Although we've had some problems with the DC unit originally, Tru-Turf has been outstanding in helping us solve the issues that we did have even after the warranty was up on the unit. They've been a great company to work with. They've come out all the way out from Australia to the US here to take care of issues, and we've been very, very happy with them.